We know risk. Do you? Steinbeis has the goal of extending and transferring German and international knowledge and expertise worldwide. Steinbeis RTech was the driving force in the risk-based inspection project in South Africa. Since 2013, Steinbeis RTech is the implementation partner of Eskom, the largest energy supplier in Africa for risk-based inspection.
So one of the projects we are managing in our area is the implementation of the risk-based inspection program throughout our generation fleet, that we can operate the plant safely. So this has been done in partnership with Steinbeis, who are our implementation partner in rolling out the project. We are nearing the end of the first phase of this rollout, and it's been an exceptional journey for both parties, all parties in fact, because we've done a world first in terms of the size, the state support.
Internationalization, globalization, it's not only a word, it's a possibility and a chance to work together. A very important project for us, for Steinbeis, for you. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Thank you very much that we have the possibility to have the success with you.
The EskomRBI project mainly focused on implementing RBI at the power stations, but it also transferred knowledge, skills, and corporate culture in line with the Steinbeis philosophy.
SD&L in South Africa, we call it a supplier development and localization. It's part of the requirement from the well-established companies to support the local companies or the previously disadvantaged people, so that they can also benefit in terms of giving back to the community.
Within one of the recent initiatives and as part of this SD&L program, a group of South African students were invited to visit Germany over a period of 6 weeks. They attended intensive courses and were trained on the job in German power plants and research laboratories.
So far, they've opened my eyes when it comes to risk management, risk assessment, risk identification.
Our stay here will also open doors to other young students to get this opportunity to be trained here in Germany, in such a high-profile courses.
In 2016, Steinbeis RTech organized a professional SD&L visit and training in Germany for the key Eskom personnel involved in the RBI project. During the course of this stay, the highlights were visits to the GKM and Altbach power stations, the RWE open-pit coal mining operations, and the unique advanced nuclear plant operations simulators located at VGB.
Well, I also noticed how clean the station was compared to our stations back at home. I would like to say yes, I've learned a lot and I've seen a lot, and the fact that they can also save water, unlike the technology we are using.
The participants were made familiar with the latest developments in European RBI standardization by personally participating in the PREN 16991 review session.
We've learned a lot because remember in Eskom, when we implement this RBI, we're using the same standard, a remap standard. And it becomes much easier when you've got a different audience sitting around the table.
In addition to that, the group attended sessions showcasing the cutting edge of materials science during the International MPA seminar.
I think MPA, it was also a good platform where the different companies or the different speakers present their area of expertise. And it's a part of skills and knowledge transfer where they share across the different audience.
The best thing I've learned about our partner Steinbeis is how unique an organization they are in the world, in fact. In this case, you can see the philosophy of Steinbeis is different. They're saying to you, look here, we would like, it's a volunteer thing. We are keen and we want to change this environment. We want to equip you not only to solve this problem, but we want you to be able to solve the problem yourself in future.
It is about the real fulfillment of our SD&L obligation in this partnership which we have with Eskom, which we have with South Africa. So we are trying to fulfill this task with real activities which are not limited just to technical skills or education or similar, but which is devoted and dedicated to building a real partnership with the people with whom we have worked together, achieved some result, and last but not least spent almost 4 years of our lives working with them and enjoying the life with them.